Nakikinggan ko kayo, pero ayaw nyo naman akong pakinggan. Napakasimple po ng distinction na binibigay ko.
Hindi po doon ang ano ko.
Huwag po, ang pakikusap ko lang po, huwag kayong magbibigay ng masamang kahulugan. I am only precisely placing a distinction between the two. Yun lang po, wala kang ibang masamang kahulugan. Eh kasi po yung kayo ng friends na gano'n. Huwag pong gano'n.
Boss, explain na lang natin para hindi ma-offend.
Huwag pong gano'n.
Explain mo na lang, boss. Kasi
Session is resumed.
Come here. Yes,
Senator Peta.
I'm listening to two senators. As I mentioned kanina, na tayo gumamit ng prasuhan, etc. And I see the point of Senator Risa, but I'm also listening to Senator Marcoleta. It's kumbaga sa libro, iba yung love language, but I don't think there meant to be any offense. Having said that, we're only discussing whether we will take up the amendment or not. And we have exhausted already all the arguments. This is a simple motion, so I move that we divide the House. May I retake my motion. Then we can go into the merits and they can try to convince us whether or not we agree. So the motion is to take up the amendment to our rules as proposed by Senator Marcoleta. The objection is that it is not in order because we did not follow our own rules.
Madam Chair, Mr. President,
Before that,
Mr. President.
yes, we recognize Senator Ormeto.
Madam President, my question is, why is the majority in such a hurry to tackle this motion? This allowing a senator for justifiable reasons to attend and participate in the session through teleconference, whereas in Rule 14, Section 41, under B, it is convenient to hold the session through teleconference, video conference, or other reliable forms of remote or electronic means using appropriate information and communications technology system due to force majeure, Madam President, or the occurrence of a national emergency. I guess, Madam President, this justifiable reason, what is that? Does that fall under force majeure, or does it fall under national emergency, Madam President? My question is, why are we in so hurry? Why are they, the majority, in a hurry to tackle this motion and divide the House, Madam President? We need answers in the minority.
Madam Chair.
Or is it because, Madam Chair, they're in a hurry because of news reports that probably two of our colleagues might land in jail this weekend? Is that the reason why? Is that the reason why they have to have this inserted in Section 41C para makaboto po kung sino man yung makukulong dahil sa announcement ng sa Ombudsman na may lalabas na po ang warrant ng ilan sa mga kasama natin, Madam President. That is my question, Madam
Madam
President.
Chair, the gentleman is out of order because his question, saan mamadali, bakit, can be discussed in the actual motion. Can be discussed after the motion whether we should take it up. We take offense that bibigyan niya ng ganyang kulay. It's just like us saying, are you afraid if we have the hearing on the Blue Ribbon and Flood Control, yung mababagin ka rin? You do not make that kind of statements here in the Senate because you assume good faith from everyone. That rule hindi na nila. May 11 pa ho yun. So, Madam Chair, I move that we divide the House.
And the voting will be done via
Madam President,
Minority Leader.
I move to adjourn or I call. But it's a higher precedence, Madam President.
So I only see the Minority Leader representing the minority, the others have left.
Madam Chair, we will not object, but for the record, they scampered out and left the minority leader instead of discussing the rule. We are not even discussing the rule yet. And then, ganun na yung allegation nila. And no one from the minority stood up to say that out of order si Senator Erwin Tulfo. So we will not object, Madam Chair. In fact, we move that we adjourn till 5 p.m.
Madam President,
Monday.
before that,
Madam President, motion to adjourn is not debatable. Akala ko ba magaling sa rules?
We're not debating.
It's not
We're not
debatable.
debating.
Parliamentary adjourn.
We're not debating.
And we will indeed adjourn,
parliamentary query.
yes, Senator.
Nung po nagsimula tayo, Madam, meron po ba tayong quorum?
We have a quorum.
Yes, Madam President. Kapag ka po ba nag-walk out ang minority, nawawala po yung quorum. Nagsimula po tayo may quorum. It doesn't matter if they walk out.
Yes,
I think we still have the quorum.
Madam President, once there is a quorum call, you have to call the roll. Kahit na present lahat o kulang kanina, o there was a motion to dispense, whatever that is.
Not about the situation, Madam President, when you readily and willingly walk out.
Takes precedence.
Hindi po yung covered the rule natin, Madam President.
Madam
Kung saan
President.
As reiterated by the Senate President and as conveyed by the Minority Leader, former Senate President, the rule states that the motion to adjourn takes precedence. I'm not taking sides.
5 p.m. Monday.
And we will adjourn session
Until 5
until
p.m.
5 p.m. on Monday, June 1st, 2026.
June 1. June 1. The birthday of Senator Lacson. So we will have cooler heads.
This is a travesty of our rules. This is a travesty of our rules. This is a travesty of the Senate rules.
Mali ba tayo sa mga rules? Mali yung proseso. Wala pang ang debate sa substance. Bakit po sa tingin niyo gagawin sa proseso? Gusto nilang mangyari ngayon yun? Eh hindi na tayo umabot sa pag-discuss, debate sa substantive kasi hindi nila sinusunod yung sariling rules.
Teleconference, ginagawa lang yan kung may pandemya. Wala namang pandemya ngayon.
Walang national
natin
emergency.
papaguhin?
Walang force majeure.
Sir, baka ituloy nila. Pwede po ba nila
Wala
ituloy?
silang quorum, subukan nila.
Walang quorum. Hindi ba tutuloy?
Saan po tuloy po
Okay. Ewan ko sa'yo.
sa akin yan siya ng Senate. Yan ang pinagkitaan siya. Kahit ito pa. Oo nga. Regine.
The reason ko for the note niya. Eh kasi sabi na kasi hinatayan ako ng ano kayo pinagsasabi? Sinabas yung motion.
Walang tao sa lounge, kaya nag-walk out sila. Walang tao sa lounge, kaya nag-walk out sila.
Bahala na kayo dito.
Hindi tayo nakapag-privilege. May chance pa sila. Yan. June 1. June 1 sa mga. Meron na. Next na ba yung pagkain? Umalis tayo. Dali mo na yan, dali mo na yan. Pagkain mo lang, tayo sa labas. Pero, ubus pa pala mamumula. Pero pag binigyan ko siyang lugat, makasabot. Ubus pa talaga.